No brakes! I don't know what you're talking about. See this, even though they're not even looking, they don't care. Oh, you're right.
It's light.
Good.
Yeah, I don't think they care anymore.
No, they don't care. This is what happened last time.
I'll check for you.
Good. Yeah! Yeah!
Oh, the wind is back.
Nice! That's fun! That's good. I don't really know the brakes and stuff.
Early. So. I don't know if I trust it. Brake a bit more.
Huh?
Brake a bit more.
Okay. I don't trust them.
Brake a bit more.
Alright.
I see when you rev match downshift, you have a tendency to get off the brakes.
Yeah.
You're braking a lot less than normal.
One tire fire! This is crazy. Oh man. I can't hear it.
Yeah, you can't hear the engine at all.
Yeah, like I can't really like, that's a problem for me. Dude, this chassis is fun!
Not braking enough.
Yeah, I know.
You have to get hard on the brake.
I'm scared that these are gonna lock up, man.
I'd rather you fully brake.
Okay.
Right now you're under braking.
All right.
You're braking deeper than I am. There you go. You get right back on the gas. Be more patient. Let the car rotate and settle, and then get on the gas. It'll be a lot smoother that way. Hard brake. Already on the brake. There you go. Now go. Not breaking enough.
What brakes?
You have to brake.
Oi, oi, Takumi, brake!
No brakes. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay.
I guess he doesn't want to pass.
Oh, I'll bring it back in after this.
Okay. That diffuser be working.
Huh?
That diffuser be working.
I know. No brakes.
What do you mean no brakes?
No brakes. No, we're okay. I'm always more cautious when I drive somebody else's car. I just, at least from a braking perspective. Not my finest hour, but that's okay. You feel better now?
Wow, this seat sucks. Oh my god. We got a BMW time. Oh. I'm grabbing my seat bottom.
Dude, my leg, I felt like my leg was hitting you and like making it hard for you to shift.
I felt that a couple times, but it wasn't too bad.
I was like, my bad, dude. Oh, that was fun, dude.